Hey guys, so here's what's been going on at my place this morning. Got a new 50-gallon water heater. It is an A.O. Smith Proline commercial grade 50-gallon natural gas water heater. It replaced my old one that was original to the house, installed in 1995. It was still working, but I know that they only last for so long, and in taking a proactive approach, I decided to go ahead and replace it. So here's the new one. Pretty much standard natural draft, natural gas water heater. This is where they cut the pipes to install a new tank. Got new shutoff valve. This right here is a new valve that goes over to my humidifier. The old style saddle tap valves are no longer permitted, and this is a lot more reliable. And right here is an expansion tank, which is now required by code in the county that I live. It's installed on the cold water side. That's pretty much it. Got natural gas pipe. I had to redo a little bit of the gas pipe. And it's got this fancy schmancy new gas control valve. And it's a semi-sealed chamber. They have to meet the new FVIR standards for flammable vapor resistance, if that's a word. But the water heater has to be resistant to igniting flammable vapors, so all the air is pulled in through an arrestor screen on the bottom. And it shouldn't be a problem down here in this basement. It's mostly for units installed in garages, but still a safety feature that water heaters have to live by now. So we got the pilot flame going in there. I'll go ahead and kick up the temperatures just so you can see what the burner looks like. And that big old natural gas flame burner. Actually heated up pretty quick. It's looking good. The water's nice and warm now. So I'm liking it so far. And actually, you can, if you look in there, you can see that screen that the air is pulled in through. So if there was ever flammable vapors or anything, they would go through that screen, and it would prevent them from being ignited. So we'll go ahead and turn this guy back down to A, which is about 120 degrees. There you see, shut off there. Pilot's still going. So I like these newer gas valves. You don't have to use a match to ignite the pilot anymore. You just use the spark igniter right there. Everything's all sealed up for you. Took a couple hours. One other thing that I had fixed during this project, there was a that radon vent back there. One of the elbows had cracked and corroded away, so they had to replace some PVC pipe for that. Other than that, pretty smooth, pretty successful installation. I'll leave the company information in the comments, or in the video information, in case anyone's looking for a nice plumber in the Northern Virginia area. But yeah, that's my new water heater. Hoping it'll last as long as the other one. Like I said, the other one was original to the house, which was built in 1995. So we'll see how long this one lasts. It's got 6-year tank warranty and 6-year parts warranty. So hopefully won't have to use those. Hopefully nothing fails. But so far so good. And if anything changes, I'll post an update about it. So thanks for watching. And again, this is an A.O. Smith Proline commercial grade 50-gallon natural gas water heater that was just installed at my place today. Alright guys, thanks for watching.